Steve's made up these boards for his wife and mum and mother-in-law out of some willow that a customer gave us. So we've coated the back, and he's put some trenched out and put some LEDs in. And so we've coated the back with boat coat, it's all sealed. Now we're doing the side and the front. And we've come to this little problem. It's got a crack right through, and the solution is no more gaps. We're going to put a bit of no more gaps in there, and we're done. And I'm just going to use my finger, push him into place, and then we'll put tape over the top of it, and that'll look $1 million once it's done. Now that I've done that, I'm going to duct tape it. You use plastic tape, don't use masking tape. The reason we don't use masking tape is because the epoxy will go through it and it'll be stuck there for life. You'll have to sand it off, not just peel it off. Epoxy doesn't like plastic, so it'll come off there really easy, and we'll show you once it's done. But what we're going to do with this, we've just got new glow pigments, these fellas here, and we're going to mix them in. And they're brand spanking new, we've just imported them. So Steve's a good guinea pig for them. So let's see how we go. So I've taped this up now and cut him off. And what we're going to do here is a bit of an experiment. So I've made up these boards. You use nails on some old MDF or whatever's laying around, and you can sit your object you're going to do on it and get it quite level. And that way it's sort of open, you haven't got goop running down on it. So these here we're going to fill with the pink for his wife, fill it up and see what we end up with. So there it is.